If you're running Photoshop on a high-resolution display and the tools that you're using are really lagging behind, it has to do with one of the settings in Photoshop. This is a video that will show you how to fix that problem. I'm Art and ArtIsRight. Before we start, subscribe if you're new and hit on the bell icon so you'll be notified every time I upload cool new videos like this. The tip I'm about to share works for both Mac and PC. I get this question often. You have a high-resolution display, you link this up to the computer system that you have, and it may not have the latest or the most powerful GPU. When you start to do retouching in Photoshop or do advanced graphic work, you will notice right away that there is a lag in interface. For instance, I'll show you the brush tool right now, just trying to paint purple on this scene. I'm moving my hand around, but I notice that sometimes Photoshop is not really catching up quite as fast, and you may not notice it on the screen until you really try this out yourself and you notice that Photoshop is really lagging behind. The reason why this is happening is because Photoshop, when it installs on your system, is set to use advanced graphic renderization, regardless of whatever video card that you have. To fix this, what you would simply do on the Mac side is go into Photoshop, Preferences, and choose Performance. Or what you can do is press Command K on the keyboard and it will bring this dialog up. It will start out with General, and what you would do then is click on Performance. If you're on a PC, you would go into Edit, Preferences, and you can certainly choose Performance from the extended menu, or Control K and then click on Performance on the side, and that will take you to the same dialog here. At this point, we are going to look at the Graphic Processor setting. Use Graphic Processor should be checked because we want to use the GPU on our system. However, if we click on Advanced Setting, we will see right away that Drawing Mode is set to Advanced. With Advanced, this is really pushing our GPU really hard, and you can read the description below, and it pretty much tells you that Advanced is going to cause some lag, or it may cause some lag, and you may want to change this into either Normal or Basic. In my experience, what I have found is that changing this to either Basic or Normal helps out a lot. Most of the time, what I do is I just skip Normal and go into Basic right away. Click on OK, and if you click on OK again, you will notice that Photoshop performance is now improved quite a bit, where it's not really pushing the GPU on your system quite as hard. If you want to test this on normal mode, you can certainly do that as well, but personally, like I said, from my experience, I just prefer to go to Basic right away so I can get working without having to do any testing. But I hope that you find this tip helpful. Questions or comments, leave them below, give this a like, subscribe, and hit on the bell if you're new, and until next time, in Art we trust.